Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. I went ahead and I applied concealer on my eyelids. I did not set them. And I'm starting off with the Jaclyn Hill palette with the first shade called Butter. And I'm applying this with a small fluffy brush all over my crease as my transition shade. Now I will be applying the shade called Buns, and I'm applying this on top of my transition shade just to darken up my crease. Now with the clean fluffy brush, I will go over everything and make sure everything is well blended. Now to cut my crease, I used the concealer Fair Warm from e.l.f. and I am just applying this with a small concealer brush. And I wasn't sure if you guys wanted me to mention every brush that I'm using. So if that's something you would like to see, let me know down below so I can for sure mention it on my next video. Now with the shade Buns, I'm going to be blending in the edges of the concealer. Next with the pencil brush, I am still using the shade Buns and I'm just focusing it on the front of the cut crease just to make sure that I have everything blended in there as well. So now I will be applying the shade Obsessed, and I'm using my finger to apply this shade on top of the concealer because I find that using your finger you can get more of the product instead of using a brush. And with no product on my brush, I'm going to go back and blend everything in. Now moving on to my face, I will be using the e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer and the Milani Foundation. I'm in the shade Creamy Vanilla, and I'm just going to be applying my foundation with a wet beauty blender. To contour my face, I will be using the concealer from LA Girl, and I'm using the shade Cold Tan, and I'm just applying this on my nose, my forehead, and on my cheeks. Now I will be applying concealer, and as you can see, it was way too light for me. So what I did, I just applied a little concealer a little bit darker, and the one I used was the one from e.l.f. in the shade Light Beige. To set my concealer, I will be using the Dermablend loose powder, and I'm just setting this everywhere where I applied the concealer. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the one from Milani in the shade Dulce. Now to finish up the eyes, I will be going back to my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'm grabbing the shade Jada, and I'm going to be applying this on my lower lash with a pencil brush. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn lashes in the style M62. And oh my god, let me tell you guys need to try these lashes. They're so bomb and so affordable. And I will also leave everything that I used today, all the products listed down below in the description bar. Alright, well this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to let me know down below what else you guys would like to see on my next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.